Okay, here we are with a data set collected from our topo-bathymetric lidar. This is Little Harbour. Malmurby Beach would be just off to there. And this is a 2-meter grid representing our digital surface model. And as you can see, the water is covering this bay. Let's drain the bay and see what happens. Okay, we can see the channels, we can see where there's eelgrass, the channel coming in here to Chapel Bay, and finally it's completely drained. We can move around in this channel, we can come down and go through the channel. See where water would move, and then eventually out into the big main channel here. And we can bring the water back in. And if we look back here, this is where we have a huge sandbar that has been growing over time. And if we want to virtually go back here and see what sort of depth, let's plunge into the water. So the laser basically penetrates through the water column sees under the water, into these deep areas. You can see there's a deep channel here. And unfortunately, there's been enough sediment deposited that these channels are all blocked off by this large sedimentary series of sediments here that have basically blocked the flow through this channel. Let's try going to the main channel and seeing what happens. We have left all the trees in this digital surface model here to show basically a more realistic approach. We're going to drape the air photo over this next. Let's go here and see where the main channel going into the harbor is. Okay, we're about to splash down. And I missed the channel somewhat. Now I'm into the main channel here. We're going over some major ripples and then moving up through. Let's just have a look at what that actually looks like. This is what we were just flying over, these major ripples through here, obviously associated with the stronger currents. This is a great method to visualize various water movements. For example, let's bring that water back in, and we can see it moving around. The detail of the model is somewhat a little bit simplified because of the reduction of data to put it into the gaming environment. But overall, what a fantastic way to interact with these data and get a better understanding. This is almost as good as water skiing. And there you have it. There's a quick little tour of Little Harbour with the water at high tide or at low tide.